Hello friends, welcome to this channel, Center of Excellence Pharma 4. Objective of this channel is to focus about various emerging technologies like cloud, artificial intelligence, big data, industrial internet of things, robotics, blockchain, and many more which are coming up, and how these technologies can be adopted, can be used, can be implemented to develop digital supply chain, which will help company to achieve business excellence and industry 4 standards. So in this today's video, I'm going to discuss about digitization consideration into supply chain. So let's look at it the next slide. What I'm trying to show over here is the 5 steps or stages. If you start looking from the left to right, it is the first thing. It starts with the supplier, then comes the procurement, then comes the production, then comes the warehouse and distribution, and finally it goes to the customer. So in this 5 business processes, on the top I am trying to show about the functional processes. Like there are supply concepts are there based on to your material requirement planning, which is derived from market requirement about the demand planning and all. Then comes the logistics, that is basically material is coming from supplier to your manufacturing location. Then when we go to the production, the manufacturing layout planning is all considered. Then when a product moves from production to warehouse or a distribution location, then the material flow optimization has to be considered. And finally, when it is going from distributor to the customer, you have to think about the transportation, logistic, and how you will optimize the capacity of the vehicles, route, all those things are there. So these are the various considerations are there. If you look at it at the bottom side, then you have to think about the network planning. Because as we are looking at it, the hardware has to be developed, which needs to get connected. As we discuss about the emerging technologies, everything is now getting connected to the cloud. But then all the data in the real time should go to the cloud, and that needs to get shared, all those desired stakeholders. Now with these various resources, like when we talk about the complete digital supply chain, the resources are required like materials, manpower, machines, and finally money and all that, which has to get detailed planning based on to market requirement or demand forecasting or demand planning and all. So resources planning is also a very important thing. It is a material requirement planning or manufacturing resources planning. All those have to have that base over here in the digital supply chain management. And then the logistic and transport optimizations are to be considered. And as I mentioned in the earlier, that distribution logistic, that means which products or which orders have to move, how they will move, what are the routes to be followed, what are the transportation vehicles needs to be considered and all that. All this have to really consider. And this is where, as we discussed about capturing the data in the real time, that is where we are moving from presently traditional systems to the digital systems and all. So these digital considerations are really required, which are very important, which are going to drive this entire operation digital supply chain. And that is what really will give a good benefits and improving the business performance and achieving the industry 4 standard. I think I just tried to give you a brief concept or overview about this entire process. But when we go more into the details, we already have many more videos, almost 190 videos are there. The details are also discussed onto various videos. But still, you will have some doubts, queries, and all that. So do feel free to contact us. Our domain and technology teams will understand your challenges, and we are very confident based on to our last 45 years experience to share with our knowledge and take your company to the next level of achieving excellence and all that. The contact details are shown over here. Feel free to contact us. Do share our videos, share your comments and thoughts onto this. Thank you. Bye.